This is exactly how I was able to fix my PlayStation 5 controller not turning on. So the first thing you can try to do to be able to fix it is to actually charge your controller. And the best way to charge it is to have your USB-C cable here, and the other end needs to go to your PlayStation 5. I'm just gonna show you real quick. So it needs to go to your PlayStation 5 right here, as you can see. And once you're charging it there, you're then able to, just gonna go back here, you're then able to know if it's actually a battery problem or not. If it is, then it will instantly work. If it's not, well, then we need to reset it. And to be able to reset it, you're just gonna turn around your controller like this and look for this little hole right here. And then grab one of those. This is a SIM card ejection tool or something, I think it's called. But you can use, for example, a paper clip or anything that fits in this hole right here, and then just click in it and hold it for 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now it's factory reset. So try once again, and hopefully now it's gonna be fixed for you as well.